A huge fire that broke out Saturday on a key road and rail bridge linking Crimea to Russia was caused by a car bomb, reports citing Russia's National Anti-Terrorism Committee said Saturday. Today at 6:07 a.m. on the road traffic side of the Crimean bridge, a car bomb exploded, setting fire to 7 oil tankers being carried by rail to Crimea, the committee was quoted as saying. The bridge, which was built on the orders of Russian President Vladimir Putin, has been a key transport link for carrying military equipment to Russian soldiers fighting in Ukraine. Traffic was suspended on the road and rail bridge, opened in 2018 and designed to link Crimea into Russia's transport network. RIA News Agency, citing a regional official, reported that the bridge's shipping arches are not damaged. In September, Russia announced the annexation of the provinces of Donetsk, Luhansk, Kherson and Zaporizhia after staging referendums that Kyiv and the West say were phony exercises held at gunpoint. The incident came as Putin marked his 70th birthday with little fanfare and a decree targeting a crucial Western energy investment, as signs grew that key parts of his Ukraine invasion were unraveling to trigger unprecedented criticism at home. Mick Ryan, a retired Australian Army general who tweets about military strategy, said that while it was too early to ascertain the range of implications of this attack on the Kerch Bridge, it is certainly a punch in the face for Putin on his birthday. Ryan said the attack could be part of any Ukrainian plan for taking back Crimea in the short term, or part of a deception operation to distract from other areas. Whatever the case, he called it a massive influence operation win for Ukraine. Even if they didn't do it, it is a demonstration to Russians, and the rest of the world, that Russia's military cannot protect any of the provinces it recently annexed, he wrote on Twitter. Ukraine has attacked Crimea before, when the Saki air base was attacked, which caused a huge explosion and destroyed dozens of planes. What is important for the attack on the Crimean bridge is the fact that Russia considers Crimea to be its territory and that according to Moscow this is an attack on Russia itself. But in earlier attacks, as well as in this one, Ukraine did not officially admit that it had carried out the attacks, but said so in an indirect way. However, Russia did not respond to these attacks in any way because Putin's army is itself stuck and is on the defensive in Ukraine. Ironically, the Russian authorities also avoided accusing Ukraine of these attacks because they would be forced to provide some kind of response for which they are powerless.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.